Hello guys, in this video you will learn Linux wget command with examples. Wget is a command line utility used to download files from the web. Using wget we can download files using HTTP, HTTPS and FTP protocols. Man wget. See, this is a synopsis. GNU wget is a free utility for non-interactive download for files from the web. Okay. This is the definition. Supports HTTP, HTTPS and FTP protocols. These are the options. Another command to get help is wget -help. See, these are the options and this is the my current wget version and this is the usage. Usage is nothing but syntax. Wget option and URL of the file. Now we are going to download MySQL sample database. See, this is Secular database. Right click, select the copy link address. Now download that Secular database. Wget, then provide the link. This is the URL of this Secular db.zip file. Then press enter. It has successfully downloaded. Let's verify. See, Secular db.zip file has been downloaded successfully. Next example is download a file with different name using wget command. Wget -o, then give customized name. Here I am giving Secular db and paste the URL of this file. What this command will do? This command will download this Secular -db.zip file and it will rename file to Secular db.zip. Let's run and verify. Download is completed. See, before file was with this name. Now we have downloaded same file with different name. Clear screen by pressing Ctrl L. Now download multiple files by using Linux wget command. Command is wget and provide URL names. Here I am copying this link address, this file link address and paste here. And give the space and provide another file link. Copy this link address and paste this. What this will do? This will download both wget 1.6 tar file and wget 1.16.1 tar file. Notice here, first it has downloaded 1.6 tar file, then it has downloaded 1.16.1 tar file. Let's verify. See, it has downloaded both the files. Now download a file to specific directory by using wget command. Wget, then -p, then provide the directory to where the file to be downloaded. Here I am giving mnt iso, then provide the file name. Now I am going to download this ISO file. Right click and select copy link address, then paste that link. Now it is going to download this ISO file to this directory. Press enter. See, download has been started. I have cancelled this download. Next command is, if you want to resume download file, then use the same command, just replace -p with -c. Now if you press enter, it will resume from where the download has been stopped. Press enter. There is an internet error. See, download started from 30 megabytes. Ctrl C to cancel the download. Clear the screen by pressing Ctrl L or type clear command. Next command is to control the download speed by using limit rate option. Wget -limit rate equals to 2m. M is megabytes. You can give K. K means kilobytes. Another option is G. G means gigabytes. Here I am giving download speed as 2 megabytes. Then provide the file name. If we press enter, the download speed will be maximum to 2 megabytes. Press enter. See, download started and download speed not exceeded to 2 megabytes. Press Ctrl C to cancel the download. If you give 10m, which means 10 megabytes, then speed will be increased than 2 megabytes. Press enter. See, download speed has been increased. I am cancelling this one. So in this video we have seen Linux wget command with examples to download files from the web. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.